this way. Let's go find it before the sun sets. Refreshing!
Slow and steady, guys. We have to tread very carefully.
Careful, everyone. These stones are really slippery. Whoa, this one's wobbling. It's okay, I've got you. Thanks, Ellie. Slow and steady, guys. One more step, we're almost there. Hey, look over here. These are jungle lilies. Wow, they're so bright. I've never seen flowers like that before. Yes, this is healthy. That means is this healthy? Okay, here we go.
You've got this, Tia. Nice and strong.
Almost there. That's it.
Keep going.
Hi, Daisy. Nothing can stop Team Jungle.
Look at these footprints. They must lead to the waterfall. Wow, the prints are fresh. We're on the right track.
Hurry, I can almost hear the water.
Let's follow carefully.
Yeah, adventure time. This is going to be amazing. I can feel it. They're fresh. Someone's been here recently. All right, everyone, let's go. Yeah, this path looks fun. I'll scout ahead from up here. What a beautiful day for a walk. I'm coming too. I can see something sparkling over there.
Did you hear that? Something's nearby. I hear water. It's close.
Hey, everyone, keep up. I think I see something.
This path is fun. Hooray! We have arrived. Catch this flash. Here comes a big one. Catch this flash. That's a big one.
We worked so well together today.
It was an amazing adventure.
So, friends, thank you for today. To see more videos, subscribe, follow, and comment. Bye-bye.